hang on just a minute. No crying. Okay, can't cry. Big sisters can't cry if they're gonna hold their babies. Okay, come here. Okay, sit right back here. Okay, scooch over. Oh, quit crying. There you go. You gotta be very gentle. Okay, put her in your arms. Be very gentle. Okay, don't squeeze too hard. Be gentle. Hold her baba for her. Good job. Very good, big sister. You see your nose, baby. Good job, Cameron. You're doing a great job. Hold her very gently. Oh, did you hear her? She burped.
Burp?
Yes. Okay. Oh, thank you. You think she might want that back? Let's see. Be very gentle. Let's put it in her mouth. Okay. Okay, you can do it. Let me hold her hand. Oh, almost. Good job. Now she's knocking it out. There we go.
Good job, Cameron.
Great job.
You're such a big sister.